your side, warning this morning, if you've driven Bay Area roads, there's no doubt you've seen it. Road debris, everything from pieces of metal to shredded tires, and it can cause accidents and hurt people. 8 on your side's Ryan Hughes is live along I-75 in Hillsborough County this morning. So Ryan, this small stuff can cause big problems.
Exactly, and good morning. Once again, there's litter and trash all over our roadways. One major problem spot is right here, I-75, a heavily traveled road here in Hillsborough County. We talked to experts about what you can do to avoid accidents caused by all this roadway junk. It's as common as rush hour traffic, trash, tires, pieces of metal all over our roads. Road debris is more than a mess, it's a hazard. Roadway junk was the cause of more than 200,000 crashes from 2011 to 2014, according to AAA. 39,000 people were hurt, 500 were killed.
Very frustrating, but, you know, it's so much construction in South Tampa, so there's not much you can do about it.
Betty, who didn't want to give her last name, often dodges debris. Sometimes it's the small stuff that causes big problems.
I have my tires always destroyed by screws.
Unfortunately, especially in an urban area like Tampa, we do have a lot of road debris. It's things that are falling off of passing vehicles, litter, trash, things of that nature.
Florida Highway Patrol Sergeant Steve Gaskins tells us drivers are required to secure their loads so things don't spill. This Tampa driver cut it close.
It should be secured if you're going to move anything on your vehicle, period.
Road Ranger Harold Griffin has driven Bay Area roads for more than a decade.
Some things you see and a lot of them you don't see until you actually hit it.
That's why troopers warn people to watch out and scan their roadway if possible. Keep open space and
pay attention, okay? Don't follow too close. That's one of our concerns that we often see out here on the highways.
If you're about to hit a piece of debris, AAA suggests to reduce your speed before you make contact. Last year, Florida Department of Transportation statistics show more than 178 tons of material from Bay Area roads was picked up and thrown away, including nearly 12 tons of waste tires. All this is why it's important to keep an eye on the road and the things in it. Now, we're told people can actually be fined if things fall or spill off their vehicles, so state troopers suggest that people make sure everything is secure, Gail.
This is a great reminder for everybody because, I drive 275 all the time and I always run into road debris. All right, thanks, Ryan.